Let us consider this circle of radius r. Here my object is moving along the circumference of the circle in an anti-clockwise sense. Here this radius is a vector quantity. It is somewhere at position A on the circumference of circle. So my object is moving on the circumference of this circle in an anti-clockwise sense. The sense of rotation or sense of circulation, it can be reverse also. That means it can be in an anti-clockwise sense too. So this motion of an object along the circumference of circle in clockwise sense, or it can be in an anti-clockwise sense. So this is basically a circular motion. This motion is also called an angular motion, because look here in this diagram. My object is performing circular motion along two different circles, and their sense of rotations are different. Now let us have a look why this motion is called as an angular motion. Let us assume this object at different positions on the circumference of circle. Every time look at the angle. Here let us assume theta is the angle between this radius vector at position A and at position B. Another angle is, let us assume this as theta 1, this as theta 2. Same is the case for clockwise sense of rotation. Theta 1 here, theta 2. One more position it will take here somewhere at point D on the circumference of circle. Then look at the angle. Let us assume this angle as theta 3. So every time theta 3 is greater than theta 2 and which is greater than theta 1. So here angle changes. So this motion, circular motion, is also called an angular motion because angle changes. This motion is also called an accelerated motion because here in this circle, in the circular motion, look here, if my particle is somewhere at point A, the direction of velocity, it will always be linear. This is tangential to the position. Here, suppose my object is here at point B. So this is the tangent. Here, my object is somewhere here. So here object is moving like this. So every time look at the direction of velocity. It is changing continuously with respect to time and position. Therefore, and we all know that if velocity changes with respect to time, then the motion is said to be accelerated, or that object has got an acceleration. Therefore, as velocity changes with respect to time, their directions are different. Therefore, this motion, circular motion, is an accelerated motion.